Hey everyone! Let me show you how to use the subway in Korea. When you enter the station, look around for a ticket vending machine like this one. First, choose your language. We have 4 options: Korean, English, Japanese, or Chinese. Now, let's get a single-use transportation card. You can find your destination by the first letter of the station name. I'm looking for Gangnam Station. Oh, looks like it's on the next page. Yeah, here it is. Next, select how many tickets you need. Keep in mind, there's a deposit included in the price. But don't worry, you will get it back later. You can pay with cash or card, but please note that Samsung Pay and Apple Pay are not accepted. Once your payment is done, just wait a moment. The card will come right out. Now that you have your transportation card, go ahead and head to the gate. Tap your card on the part that says card to get through. At your destination, tap again to exit. Before you leave the station, look for a deposit refund machine. Insert your transportation card and you will get your deposit back. And that's all. Enjoy your travel in Korea.